But yeah, dovetailing off of what you're saying is, for me, one of the biggest transitions, and I'll share my first one, is that for me is finding the foods that I enjoy eating. Why do we eat the cheeseburgers, the pizzas? And I did that all the time, and I worked out all the time, and I was on a hamster wheel. And so once I learned about finding foods that I actually enjoyed eating, then it really changed the game for me. And how I did this was experimenting with what my body liked and what it didn't like. Why do I like the taste of a cheeseburger? And so I started experiencing like, okay, maybe I don't do the cheeseburger, but maybe I do just the beef, just the beef patty, and not the bread, and not, with the ingredients that I put in it. So I started reframing my mindset. And this leads into my first hack, which is I started prioritizing protein. I started there, right? There's so many different macros. There's the carbs, there's fats, and it gets super overwhelming. So my first food hack was I'm gonna prioritize protein, and I'm gonna find out what proteins that I like, that I love, and then I'm gonna get really good on those proteins. And so by me prioritizing every meal, this helps me keep me full longer, but also repairs my muscle. And then also allows me to maintain steady energy levels. When I've experimented with carbs and fats and other different macros and other different types of foods,